Ay, natangtang man. Sabi yun. Napusing yung kabay. Napusing. Let's put you here. Maganda si Agi ko din. Limpyo manday. Limpyo kayo ang kuya. Oh. Ay, napunta na siya sit bro. Ano lang na sport. Ay na. Dito na. Dito. Sa bata guro na eh. Dito. Mangi sa ko dito. Limpyo ang kasunod. I am at the park, guys. Let's give you a tour. So let's walk in the grass. See, look at that. Ooh. Hala. Oh, this side is very wet. Oh, we will not go that way because it's wet. Maybe that side. Today I have a headache because the weather is a bit cold. So there's a farm there. Hey, look at that. Over there is a lot of trees. Surrounded by the trees. And the other side is surrounded. There you can go swing. There is a swing there. My hair is super messy. It's okay. So this is my first day here in Australia. My friend took me in this park. So this one here, this park is very good actually, because like they are like you can cook. So there's some sitting chair here. We went at the swing. So we act like a kid today, like a kid. So here you can cook. Put some stove here. My friend. Ha?
Kani nga
Nangarak.
kalinga. Mura gold ni siya.
Naman.
Kailaw mo.
So this one is the lesson. Ano ni siya day? Kasabaan kita nito.
Ano mo?
Ha? Kaya itong tunog-tunuban ang stone. Teng, teng, teng. Ha? So my friend wants to have pictures with me. So that's all for today. I hope you like my first day at the kangaroo park with my friends. We were playing, we were swinging down there. So, bye guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel. Yeah? See ya. Bye.